Here's how I put my dioramas into the Lightbox. Very rarely I have some young company. I lay the background down first, then tape in the sides. Next, I bring up the whole 3D scene intact from my basement studio and very carefully slide it into the Lightbox off a cookie sheet. I begin finessing the details, opening and shutting the box multiple times, looking and relooking as I make modifications. At last, I'm ready to close the box. Turn it around and lock it. Great, it's ready for viewers. And there's always a photograph to remember it by, as it will be gone in a week or so.